we are going to learn herbs that we can use for snoring. And that's one of the major concerns for a lot of people, because of snoring, when they're doing gathering at a place that you're going to sleep together, he or she finds it difficult to join the queue because of the snoring, right? And so today we're going to learn what can we do to stop the snoring. Yeah. I'm going to teach you about 2 simple herbs, and I think one will help you. Yeah. When you do this one, don't see take the other one, because we are not the same as human beings. Yeah. The first one I'm going to take is tomatoes. Get fresh tomatoes, fruits, and remove the seeds from it, and blend the fruits, and add a pinch of salt, and drink every evening. Snoring will go. If you can't do that one, get olive oil. When you get olive oil, pure virgin olive oil, put 1 drop in put 1 drop in this nose, put 1 drop in this nose, and every evening I say you're going to see results where snoring will go. Thank you very much for following our video and like that video. My name is Dr. Alabi. Thank you. Bye.